I stay in insurance, not because of the money. The money's still there. The money's great, but I stay because I really enjoy helping people, not just clients and prospects, but other agents and agency principals through a variety of the other things I have my hands in.
Only 2 minutes.
It's interesting you bring that up about the whole money and why you're staying now, not because of the money, because the money's still good. Every successful person I've ever met in insurance, like they get in for finances typically to better their financial lifestyle. But we talked about this on a podcast episode a couple of weeks back. Like everybody who stays in insurance, it has to become about more than just the money, because once the money comes, what's going to get you up in the day, right? And typically I found it's the heart to help other people and enjoying what you're doing.
Yeah, that's true. And I mean, the thing is, it's funny and ironic kind of that we're talking about this, because I actually have a piece of content that I just recorded this morning that I'm going to put up later this afternoon that talks about the difference between income statement wealth and balance sheet wealth. And I think that it's a message that a lot of people in our industry need to hear, because you have producers that are very young. Let's face it, man, you could be in your early 20s and make really, really good money if you're a hustler. If you want to go out and you want to hit the streets, you want to put the work in, you could make way more money than you're responsible enough to handle. And, you know, a lot of that goes back to some of the athletes that we see, right? You have young guys that don't go to college or are limited in college. They make a ton of money, but then they don't know what to do with it. They don't invest in anything. And so for me, part of helping people is making investments too, right? So one of the things that I've done is I've been very conscious about becoming involved with as many of the insurtech companies that I can become involved in, because that's what's going to shape the future of the industry. 100%. And if I've been blessed with an opportunity to be able to help them get off the ground, both financially and through the influence that I have through my podcast and some of the other things I do, that's one of the most rewarding things in the world for me, is to watch, you know, somebody who's taken their entrepreneurial dream and watch it become a success.